Today we're reviewing from ieGeek is a 82-foot distance PIR of 150-degree UHD solar security floodlight camera with motion detection, alerts, and more. We're going to set up, show you what this is about, unbox it, and show you what's inside and how nicely they are packaged. Smartphone application driven. As we open up the package and remove the foam, we have the instruction guide that you can go over, set up with the QR symbol for your smartphone. In one of the sides we have here is the hanging bracket, piece of foam, wire nuts, bracketing, and bolts and screws. Removing the unit, made of metal, 110 volt, load, neutral, and ground. Your floodlights protected. Please remove the film and locking down each of the thumb tabs for adjustment. They're movable side to side and adjusting the camera. 2.4, 5.0 gigahertz antenna. A metal locking screw, all metal, geared, metal body, cap, and screw to lock down. For demonstration purposes, we're hanging the light to set up over here and install outside. Onto a junction box, we have a screw with the bracket, slides in to the center hole for alignment and locking into place. The phone goes on a round junction box. Please remove all film off of the camera and off of the lenses. Underneath is your speaker, IP silicone door for removal of the reset and power and SD card button. Turning on your power switch turns the camera on. The hood of the light rotate correctly around and adjust angling while the camera is setting up. The book comes in a number of languages. Locate the app to download. We have a QR symbol. We're going to scan the unit. We're going to enter for configuration and follow the instructions. Turn on the device or long press the device for over 5 seconds. Hit next. Please reset the device. Hear a tone, let go, tap. Enter your Wi-Fi, whistles, connecting. Once we are connected, we have a blue light on 2.4. Allow. Next. Choose a name. Next. Follow the instructions. Next. We are now connected with the latency. Press on the picture or hit skip and follow the information provided. It opens up to the main screen. Click the play button and we are on our main screen. We have a live, a history, screenshot, hold to talk, record, motion detection, a light, a siren, light settings, adjustment brightness, and album. Screenshot takes a picture of what's in front of the camera. Hold to talk, test 1, 2, a two-way communication, record video, take 1, 2, 3, motion detection up to 38 feet from low, medium, high, turning motion on and off for humans, recording time of a minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, an alarm interval and the alarm trigger area by drawing and filling in orange. The light, very powerful light, turns on and off remotely with a siren of so many decibels. A delay to turn off. Light settings. Motion activated light. From 1 through 10 is sensitivity, staying on from 20, 40, or 60 seconds. Light schedule, turning on from 2. And adjust the brightness of the light from a high to a low. That is low, increasing by increments to the main page to shut off. We have a setting. We have storage, alarm management, device share, image setting, screen flip, automatic switch day-night mode with an optional SDXC card, sound setting, light settings, video encryption, recording management, general settings to turn on and off the light indicator, military, and AM/PM. These are just some of the features of the light setting up. It's adjustable in angles. The camera for nighttime and daytime use. A security camera and flood camera. Remote access. We're all set up with our camera for demonstration to show you how it works. We have the camera set up that we're hitting the light to turn on. It takes a couple of seconds during the daytime and to shut off. We are going to show you what it looks at nighttime. It will detect motion, a PIR sense of 150 degrees, wide angle, up to 38 feet away. As we walk the distance, and we'll record some live footage of the camera picking up over here. Show you what the camera looks like in the evening hours. When the camera disconnects, it takes a good minute to reconnect from a power outage. We are notified of a sensor, a human detection at this particular distance. This is a demonstration of how the camera will work when somebody walks by. We'll show you what the camera looks like in the evening hours. The floodlight, security light, 110 volt, is lit up. As we are standing still, waiting for it to shut off after so many seconds of what you set up for. The light is off. As you detect motion, the light will trigger on in a number of seconds. We'll walk in the distance, show you how it triggers. As the light shuts down, it would trigger when it detects motion. Depending on the angle, it will trigger as it gets into the 150-degree sensor. That is the security floodlight. We have it angled against the wall. UHD definition. I hope this is a security camera that you're looking for in the floodlight. Motion detection, PIR, 150 degree, 38-foot distance. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.